Hello, everybody. My name is Robert Lott, and I like to be called Rob. I am from Bucks County, Pennsylvania. That is about 40 minutes outside the main campus of Widener University. I am currently the outreach coordinator for a local mental health nonprofit. Some of my job duties include I am the coordinator of all hospital discharges from all inpatient facilities. I help with the suicide prevention pathway by adding and removing people, so I manage it. And then additionally, I am in charge of court commitments, as well as helping out with the intake and referral department. I graduated with my bachelor's degree in psychology in May of 2019, and I actually started my master's in social work journey at Kutztown University, and over the course of the last few months decided to transfer to a more flexible program, as well as this program is trauma-based, which I'm very much looking forward to learning about and applying that into my current career as an outreach coordinator. I am nervous about the online format a little bit, just because sometimes having to teach yourself is nerve-wracking, but at the same time, it allows you to focus more, I think. So I have found in past online classes that I have gotten better grades because it allowed me to focus more on the content and grasping it rather than tuning out for a long lecture, let's say 3 hours. I'm very much looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you. I know in my last program, the cohort that I developed was very successful in helping me, and I still keep in touch with them to this day. So thank you, and please feel free to reach out, whether it's email or any form of social media. I also have a LinkedIn, and looking forward to getting to know you all. Thank you.